Welcome back to Australian Immigration. Today's video is all about the Subclass 400 Temporary Work, Short Stay, Visa, one of the most popular work visas for Australia. We'll be covering the latest timeline and processing updates for 2024. Let's get started. Understanding the Subclass 400 Visa. The Subclass 400 Visa is ideal for short-term work projects, training, and business visits. It allows you to stay in Australia for up to 12 months and can be renewed in some cases. This visa is popular for various industries, including tourism, agriculture, and professional services. Timeline for applying and processing. The processing time for the Subclass 400 visa can vary depending on your nationality, the complexity of your application, and the current workload of the Department of Home Affairs. However, here's a general timeline for 2024. Application lodgement. The online application process is straightforward and can be completed in a few hours. Initial assessment. This typically takes around 2 to 4 weeks, where the department checks your eligibility and documentation. Further information request. If required, this can add another 2 to 4 weeks to the process. Visa decision. Once all information is received, the final decision usually takes 2 to 8 weeks. Key processing updates for 2024. Streamlined processing. The department has implemented new measures to streamline the application process for certain occupations and nationalities, leading to faster processing times. Online application system improvements. The online system has been upgraded to improve user experience and reduce technical issues. Increased focus on priority sectors. The department is prioritizing applications for occupations in critical sectors like healthcare, technology, and agriculture. Tips for a smooth application process. To ensure a smooth application process, follow these tips. Gather all required documentation. This includes your passport, proof of work arrangements, and evidence of financial support. Carefully review the eligibility criteria. Make sure you meet all the requirements before applying. Pay attention to deadlines. Submit your application well before your desired travel date. Use a registered migration agent. These professionals can guide you through the process and increase your chances of success. Alternatives to Subclass 400 Visa. If the Subclass 400 Visa doesn't fit your needs, several other options are available. Working Holiday Visa, Subclass 462. Ideal for young people who want to work and travel in Australia. Skilled Work Regional, Provisional, Visa, Subclass 491. For skilled workers willing to live and work in regional areas. Employer Nomination Scheme, ENS. Sponsored by an Australian employer to fill a specific skilled position. Applying for a visa can be daunting, but with the right preparation and information, you can significantly increase your chances of success. We encourage you to visit the official Department of Home Affairs website for the latest information and application forms. Subscribe to our channel for more Australian immigration updates. Leave your questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.